be sounding like Wayne. Maybe I should go record. What else Wayne be saying, bro?
I'll go with it.
This young moolah baby.
Yeah, bitch.
And I'm trying to use better language. Bitch. Dog, what else Wayne be saying? I don't know.
Don't you?
Don't you? I see how this nigga feel, but I wouldn't want to have this voice permanently. Imagine sex with this nigga. Oh. I don't say nothing. Just say his ad libs.
Like, you want me to teach you how to lie?
Girl, I'm teaching you how to lie. What time is it? 5 o'clock in the morning. We ain't got shit to do. We be fucking around.
I ain't even really sleeping to be fair.
I ain't sleepy either. I don't know why though.
It ain't like I was sleeping all day.
Yeah, we ain't sleep all day, we ain't sleep all night. Think about your house too small.
What is we gonna do today?
I don't know. What is we gonna do today? Are we just gonna kick ciphers all day, bruh? We might as well kick ciphers all day long.
Yeah.
That's my sister Guardian. Put on the instrumental. Hold on. Let me go ahead and go to YouTube. It's young moolah baby. What about this instrumental over here? What y'all know about that? Hey, Jewel.
Jesus, dude.
Bitch. It's Young Nightstick. A young lamp in the building. Gucci. Let the beat warm up, just chill. Yeah. I'm like Wiz, I let my beats marinate first. Yeah. You wanna go first? Alright. That's when you drop. Turn my headphones up. Turn my levels up. Me and Young Nightstick chilling in the building, chilling on the room on the bed, just chilling. Yeah, we ain't got shit to do today. We trying to find some bad hoes just so we can do the same. Y'all might as well come and stay. Smell like coochie all day. Yeah, so y'all might as well stay. Oh shit. What kind of configuration is that? Somebody playing cards.